Behind the rush and roar of town, modern world waits. Step into the narrow lanes, the norm, where stories hide in the dark. These lanes are more than just passageways. They are homes, kitchens, playgrounds, veins that carry the heartbeat of Hanoi. In Hanoi, even the narrowest path can lead to the city's loudest heartbeat. This quiet lane opens up suddenly to the road like a big street. And just around the bend, loud barbers at work, a kettle hissing, neighbors sharing stories over tea. These no are not always marked on tourist maps, but this is Hanoi, alive in the details, in moments no guidebook mentions.